Welcome back to His Roots Homestead. In this video, I'll be working on clearing a portion of our tree line. It has years of overgrowth, and time has passed on our 200-year rock wall. We're removing two burning bush shrubs. While they are beautiful in the fall, they are considered an invasive species. We also have been removing the invasive honeysuckle shrubs that we have along our walk wall. We're slowly working on exposing the rock wall, and this is step one, gaining easy access to it. Once that's been accomplished, we're going to remove debris such as dead branches, leaves, that eventually bury these historical walls. You can see that I'm wearing chaps, and there's a good story behind that. Back in 2019, I was clearing some trees on our old property, and just as I was about to set the idling chainsaw down, it brushed against my leg, and for some reason the chain was still moving just a little bit. It ripped through my jeans and cut through the skin right at my kneecap. I didn't think anything of it because it just felt like a branch snapped my leg. And my wife happened to be there. She looked down and said, "You're bleeding quite a bit." I looked down and sure enough, I was bleeding, but I thought, well, everything's fine, just a small cut, because I wasn't in any pain. She looked closer and there was a big gash in my knee. So after a little bit of debate, we decided to go to the emergency room. And we did an x-ray. It was centimeters from the ligament. I just thank the Lord that it did not go through, and that also it didn't cut cut any higher up where it could have severed an artery. Most likely I would have bled out unless I could have, I guess, put a compression on it. The temperature was in the low 60s, which made this work move along a lot faster and more comfortable. Lately, we've been getting a lot of rain. A little abnormal for this time of year in this region, but like I've said in the other videos, it's just been learning to work in the rain. So it was nice to get out into the sun and do some work. Capturing the depth on a wide-angle lens is difficult, but seeing the sun peek through the cleared portions really exposes this rock wall. Looking forward to brush hogging this and then seeing what it looks like. I'm not sure what I was pulling on here. We don't have vines in our region. I think it's possible that it was the honeysuckle, judging by the bark and the shallow roots. But this is the first instance that I've seen of it actually growing like a vine. So I pinched the chainsaw bar and couldn't remove it. It's due to the weight of this tree. It had recently died, and so there's quite a bit of strong fibers in it. I had to go get the tractor for it to assist me. Not long after clearing my chainsaw, it found an old barbed wire and got stuck around the sprocket. During the process of removing the wire, I lost the clip that holds that sprocket into place, and that ended my day of using the chainsaw. I hope that you've enjoyed watching us work and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you.